Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Honda. Today I am going to discuss about Android status bar icons in this video. Let's start with the introduction. In the world of smartphones, Android has made a great evolvement over time, making us introduce new functions and features, making great moves for Android users' goodwill. Their major goal has always been to provide their customers with the easiest and compatible products. And one-time saver function that Google has provided on these Android devices is the sliding status bar. These Android devices have been a great time saver and hustle-less use of functions provided by the built-in systems or the installed applications in the device. This bar has a series of many functions icons that perform different types of settings and also works as a notification panel of the Android device. You cannot see your Android's status bar until you swipe down the header part of the device. And for closing, all you have to do is to swipe the footer of the open status bar upwards. Now let's discuss what is Android status bar icons. The status bar is built-in function of any version of Android. Android status bar consists of different types of icons that perform different important and frequently used functions. You may add third-party icons too in the status bar if they have been programmed to be used directly from the status bar only. Now let's move on to the functions of Android status bar. It is used to change the settings of your network, tuning of network data, switching Wi-Fi on or off, switching on the hotspot, tuning into airplane mode, changing the brightness level or volume level, screen sharing, changing the battery consumption level, etc. You can also add the function of third-party applications, which include any kind of functions such as third-party screen recording, long screen capturing, audio recorder, or many more functions. But for such use of functions from third-party applications, you must keep a check that you have installed the application which has been programmed in such a way that supports working directly from the status bar. Now my next question is working of the status bar. The status bar works as the notification panel. As you have seen on your Android devices, all the notifications and advertisements of apps already installed or browser tabs advertisements popping up on the header of the screen, which on swiping down comes along with the status bar. So we can say that status bar also works as a notification place, showing the download status and other types of status of active functions running on this device. This area also shows you the notification of the text and messaging apps text. At last, I would like to conclude my topic by saying that we have provided you some really interesting things about the Android status bar icons, which we hardly even think about what all wonders it could do. If you like the video, you can press like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to put your query in the comment box. Thank you everyone.